Sasa Mokaya.
Poa sana Sheila, how are you?
Niko fine. Can we know your real name?
Peter Mokaya Mangana.
What was your childhood nickname?
Mox.
Your current nickname?
Mox.
At what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
And at what time do you go to sleep?
Midnight.
What is the last thing you do when you are going to sleep?
I do pray.
Which is your best meal?
Chapo nyama.
And your least favorite meal?
Dengu.
What do you cook best?
Nyama.
Who do you call most?
Family.
Who do you text most?
Family.
Who's your best friend?
Family.
Which is your dream car?
Lexus.
Which phone are you using now?
Samsung.
Which is your dream phone?
Samsung Z Fold.
Where did you go to school?
Primary I went to St. Luke's Boys Boarding. High school I went to Pope Benedict the 16th Minor Seminary, and university I went to Moi University Eldoret.
What was your first job?
I worked as a primary school teacher.
How much were you earning?
4,000 Kenyan shillings.
Music or movie?
Music.
Which type of music do you listen to?
Bongo and Gusi Urban.
Which is your favorite song?
Gusi right now, Esune by Sparozenga.
And who's your favorite artist?
Kenya, Gusi or
Gusi.
Gusi. I have Echate, Sparozenga, Jimniz and Mwisibokioma.
What do you do during your leisure time?
Listening to music and also watching online interviews.
Which team do you support in KPL?
Shabana. Tore Bobe.
And in English, Premier League?
The mighty Manchester United.
Which is your dream country destination?
Sina haki. Yo, bora tu mimi nimejikuta ni enjoy.
Okay. Which is the highest amount that you've ever earned as a journalist?
60,000.
Per month?
Yes.
Who's your mentor in the media industry?
TV news, I admire and adore Ali Manzu. Also on radio, I like Alex Makdeu and also Jalango Heavy J.
Which has ever been your worst experience as a journalist?
Kuna director aliwahi kuniweka hewani nikiwa napiga story tu, alafu mafans wakanipigia simu sana. What was happening? Yeah, so that was quite embarrassing.
Okay, sorry. Do you have a hidden talent that people don't know?
Labda kunaingua kiuno, lakini I don't really think I have an hidden talent.
Apart from being a journalist, what again would you like to be?
In my next world, I'd love to be a music producer.
Which is that thing that turns you off in a woman?
I have quite a number, but mtu tu ajui kuongea like proper communication.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mokaya, are you single or dating?
Huyu director ametuma huyu. Pass.
Okay, Mokaya, ask me a question.
Do you believe in love?
Yes.
Your best experience in love?
When you are so low and you get your person to be your best friend. Yeah, a person who listens to you. Who gives you a shoulder to lean on. Yes.
Najua shoulder yenu ya kulino ni tofauti sana.